Hey guys, Cars on the Fritz here. So, you know, of course, doing the welding thing. So this is what I'm playing with. If you do TIG welding, look away, because it's horrible. But, I'm learning, I'm enjoying myself, I don't care. So this is what they call the aluminum cube. And so you put it together, and then you TIG weld all the sides. Like all the sides. Ignore that. Oh my god. Oh, I'm turning the camera. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Some of it's a mess. Let me get some gloves because it's still hot. Some of it's a total mess. I don't even have my camera on a tripod because I was trying to get some underhood stuff. Some of it's a total mess. Some of it's okay. For being such a novice TIG welder that I am, but I mean, I'll probably re-go over some of these and try and tie this stuff in a little bit better. It's like some of it's not perfect. I don't expect it to be perfect. I know what I am and how I am, and that this is all new, and it's still awesome. I'm still having fun. I don't even care. I also have a stainless steel one and a carbon steel one to do. But aluminum is supposed to be harder, so all my classes got canceled this week, so I didn't, like, today was supposed to be, or yesterday was supposed to have been the beginning of TIG welding in my class. I was so excited, and it got canceled because there was some kind of cybersecurity incident at the college. I'm having a blast. Oh no, 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 no. There goes my torch. It's gonna fall, look. Oh, you can't see it because you're looking at me. Hold on, let me try and grab it before it falls. Haha, gotcha. Alright, so, yeah, there was some kind of cybersecurity incident at my, my college, and so, yeah. So, I got number 10 cup on there with a gas lens. You probably can't see that. Some of you guys know what that is. If you follow me for welding stuff, which I don't think I have very many followers that follow me for welding stuff, because look at this mess. But I'm enjoying myself. I don't care. I'm learning. The aluminum cube has taught me a lot about the puddle and how it works, and it's really cool. I'm having so much fun doing it. And if you guys are still watching me do all this welding stuff, I'm trying to get some more like under the hood footage. I tried to film some of that. So yeah, I'm sure this video's a mess. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, you're familiar with this plate. This is one of my plates where I'm learning, you know. Now, like, so the other day I fired up the TIG welder and I tried to weld, and what I got was, let me see if I can get this, which is just bleh. I mean, like, it's horrible. It was a mess. Yeah. And so today, I fired up the TIG welder, and I was able to get it back dialed in to where the heck it was supposed to be, and I managed to do those, which look really good. And then so I decided to start on the aluminum cube, because why not? You know, jump right in, both feet, you know, go do the advanced stuff. So, but I'm having a lot of fun, and I'm learning, so, you know, that's kind of the point of life, right? Have fun, learn, live. But alright, guys, keep liking, subscribing, you know, commenting. Heck, you know, you guys want me to weld you something? Let me know. I'll weld you something. We'll make a deal. You know, keep sharing the channel, keep chatting it up, and we'll keep doing what we're doing. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. We're going to give this a shot. See if I can get you guys seeing a little bit of what I'm seeing, but I mean, I didn't put the screen on, so maybe we'll do that on the next joint, since I think I figured out where I need to have the camera in order to have you guys kind of see it. So, this way, and there we go. Cool. I think I can do that. So I'm operating off a foot pedal, CK Worldwide, number 17 torque, number 10 cup, gas lens, all that fun stuff. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. That's not too bad. It's not perfect, and it's a little small for what I'm doing, like I missed an edge, but that's not bad. It doesn't look bad, really. I mean, relatively speaking. Alright, I can deal with that. Cool. Alright, so we will go ahead and I will put the filter on. That's not horrible. I mean, okay, part of it's horrible, but I mean, I'm still learning. Gotta cut me some brakes. But it doesn't, the bead doesn't look bad. Its placement is horrible. Alright, so let's go to another side. Let's do this side, and we're gonna put the filter on and try that, since I think I found a viewing angle that works okay. Okay guys, I know you guys can't see anything yet, but I'm gonna start welding in just a second here, and we'll see how that goes. I've got a number 10 shade over the camera, and so we'll see. Okay, I dipped my tungsten a little bit, but that doesn't look bad. I know you guys can't see it, but that doesn't look bad. So we will take the lens off and then do a pass without the filter lens.